Hey guys, Javian here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to style a slick back tubular haircut using hair wax. So let's begin. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. I'm going to be using styling pomade, but it's similar to hair wax. The main difference is that it will add some shine to your hair, but the process of styling your hair is basically the same. And to get your tubular haircut, I've made many videos on this topic, so feel free to browse my channel. But essentially, it's similar to an undercut. You have short side hair, short back hair, with your top hair long enough that it covers slightly above your ear. Anyway, remember to use the hair wax on dry hair. Do not use it on wet hair because this will leave you with a wet kind of look, like how gel looks when you apply that on your hair. Scoop a tiny bead of wax like so. Don't take too much, okay? So remember, you can always add more wax to your hair, but it's much harder to take it off if you put too much. Next, you want to spread the hair wax evenly on your hands for a few seconds. This will just help the hair product disperse more evenly and give you a better end result. For example, no clumps of wax on your hair. You can see how quick it is to apply the hair wax onto your hair. It literally took me like 5 to 10 seconds. Anyway, if you have shorter hair that's 3 or 4 inches long, you can simply apply the hair wax directly onto your hair roots. This will allow your hair to stand up longer. If you have longer hair like myself, you should brush the hair wax around the surface of the hair so every hair strand is covered in some wax. You can use your hands to freestyle the look. This is the chance for you to play around on what kind of hairstyle you want. You can also use a comb to make it more neat if you choose to do so. And there you have it, you just learned how to style your hair using hair wax. Usually hair wax will leave a sticky residue on your hands, so be sure to wash it off with soap. I'm going to be wearing something nicer, just for the video where I can show you a before and after look. And you can see that the hair wax pretty much stays pretty nice on my hair. For anyone that wants to make sure that your hair wax stays in place and lock in place for the entire day, you can also use hairspray. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, part of my skincare routine right now is putting the Bettr skincare solution. I'm adding their moisturizer on my face, and they come in 3 products: cleanser, serum, and moisturizer. Honestly, the product itself is pretty nice. I also like their branding where it's all black. If you'd like to try this product, feel free to check the description down below where I left a 10% off discount code. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below. Stay safe during the pandemic, and till next time, this is Javian Fong signing off.